Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dreaming of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and unforgettable adventures, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonders of New Zealand, a true paradise for travelers. So, if you love exploring new destinations, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our adventure family. Let's get started. New Zealand is made up of two main islands, North and South, and each offers a unique experience. From the rolling hills of Hobbiton to the stunning fjords of Milford Sound, this country is bursting with natural beauty. But it's not just the landscapes, it's the rich Maori culture and warm hospitality that make New Zealand so special. Let's talk about some must-visit spots. Auckland, the largest city, known for its vibrant nightlife, stunning skyline, and beautiful beaches. Don't miss the Sky Tower for breathtaking views. Rotorua, famous for its geothermal activity and Maori culture. You can soak in hot springs, experience traditional performances, and enjoy delicious hongi feasts. Queenstown, the adventure capital. From bungee jumping to skiing, there's no shortage of thrills here. And the scenery? Absolutely epic. Milford Sound, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that will leave you speechless. Take a boat cruise to witness towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls. For the outdoor enthusiasts, New Zealand is a playground. You can hike the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, kayak-enabled Tasman National Park, or even spot dolphins in the Bay of Islands. Whether you're into adrenaline-pumping activities or serene nature walks, you'll find it all here. Traditional food and markets. And let's not forget about food. Try a classic meat pie, savor fresh seafood, or indulge in a delicious pavlova for dessert. Visit local markets to taste fresh produce and artisanal treats. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Events and Maori performances. Immerse yourself in the local culture by attending a Maori cultural performance or visiting a marae. Learning about the history and traditions of the Maori people adds a deeper connection to your travels. New Zealand truly has something for everyone, whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture lover, or just looking to relax in nature. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Kiwi adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels and see you in New Zealand.